Right now. We have Summit at 69 degrees. That's what we find at Bloomfield, Parsippany as well. We have Randolph now at 61 degrees, Branchburg at 65. We head to the north with Woodridge at 62. Claryville, Liberty, you've dipped into the 50s with Danbury now at 64 degrees. So pretty comfortable. It's going to be a warm afternoon. We'll have sun and clouds through the midday. By 1 o'clock, 84 degrees. Dry through 4 p.m., 85. It's still nice through this evening, but once we get into that midnight time period, we'll be watching the radar for some showers moving in, temperatures into the 70s. I've got my eye on a severe threat heading into the overnight too, so more on that in just a little bit. But let's get you out the door right now. And Emily West, what are you keeping an eye on?
Hey, good morning. We got a few things working on.
A nice afternoon with some of that sunshine as we look into Nassau County. Islip at 68 degrees, Merrick at 71. We're down to 74 right now at Central Park, 66 in White Plains. So for the most part, we'll call it sun and clouds today. It's going to be warm, up to 84 degrees at lunchtime, 86 the high this afternoon. Should be fine through the evening hours, and then our chances for showers increasing after sunset, but more likely after midnight is where we expect some of those bigger showers and thunderstorms in terms of severe weather. That's the concern, gusty winds and heavy rainfall, but especially as we get to this time tomorrow morning. So I'm going to break down more of the impacts and fine tune that timing in just a minute, but let's get you out the door right now because we do have dry commutes so far.
Yeah.
Emily, what else are you watching?
But yeah, there's always something
There
going
is,
on.
yes.
Suffolk County. We
check in with them in just a second. The radar and satellite, nice and quiet, just some clouds, 73 at Central Park and Newark. We're at 62 in Sussex, 68 in Islip. But yes, we are looking at a stormy overnight into tomorrow morning. So that means looking good for the morning commute. By 4 p.m., 85 degrees, so a warm summer afternoon, and a fine weather forecast for the p.m. drive. It's later on that we'll be watching the radar for some of those showers and storms to move in. So I'll talk more about that timing and the impacts in a second. But let's check out some of the, some of the nice commutes.
Yeah.
Staten Island looks pretty good.
It's not bad. I got a couple other nice commutes, but a couple spots in. That's a nice.
Ready to peek through those clouds. 65 in White Plains. We're at 73 at Central Park, 69 in Islip. We have 74 in Newark. As you can see, nothing on the radar for now. That changes as the day progresses. So late night. So morning commute, evening commute, no problems. After that, some spotty showers, but it's a warm afternoon too. By 4 p.m., 85 degrees. Will be about 80 degrees as clouds continue to build through 7 p.m. By 10 o'clock, some showers around. I'm concerned about that overnight storm threat. So that severe potential. I'll fine-tune the timing and talk the impacts coming up in just a little bit. But let's see how many slowdowns you've got to contend with out there. Emily, what's going on?
I got a few and they're building up. New accident came in on Harlem River Drive right near.
So overall quiet. We have nothing to track on the radar. 65 in White Plains, 74 in Newark, 69 degrees in Islip. But yes, later today, in fact, late tonight actually is when we expect some of the strong thunderstorms to be an issue. So in the meantime, sun and clouds and warm. 86 by 1 o'clock. By about 10 o'clock, some showers popping up on the radar, but really after midnight, some of those strongest thunderstorms. So I'm going to break down the severe impacts and the timing of it coming up in just a little bit. But want to time out how your morning is going on the roads and the rails. And Emily's, for some, it's pretty slow.
Yeah, it's rough, especially on the Cross Island Parkway.